Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now we take a little short trip up to my friend, helping him with something on his old Camry and now the newer Camrys that he has and I has, 2002 to 2006 models, Toyota Camry 2.4. You see here the bulb for the lighting up the license plate. One is gone. So this should be a very simple job, they say. I'm sitting in with the opening up everything here. The light bulb should be changed from inside. We should get out the clips. See if I get the camera to show you something. Then we are supposed to get in to get out the clips here. Let's see if this one will take it. There. Simple push clips. One more. There. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. Wow! Toyota. And up here we have one light bulb for the right hand side and one left hand. There. Ordinary W 5W. There. You're supposed to just see. Yes. Get light. Wow. Then it's up and twist it into place. Kind of difficult to see it. There. Take it in. Here now. Take it in a little, 45 degrees. And let's in and then get it in a spot and twist it back. Then it's locked in place. Now it's only to get all the others up. This bulb is most common of them all. Let's start with this one, I think. Oopsie daisy. There. One more here. There. Fast. If I had get someone like this breaker bar metallic versions and can take on a little harder. If I had that one, but I'll get even faster around here. We can use screwdrivers and things also, but the plastic things are very nice. They don't ruin so much. Yeah. Now it's back. Fast, easy, very cheap bulb, and it's like it's supposed to be. So this was a good job. Fast job, easy. Yeah, I have many more about backlights and other things on these Camrys and hundreds of other videos. So please just come back and see more. So thank you. Please put a like. Please start subscribing to the channel and put comments, of course. Thank you.